3 AI email writing tricks that save time and impress. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 AI email writing tricks that will save you time and make your emails look professional every single time. Let's get into it. Trick number 1, let AI write it for you. Use ChatGPT or Gemini and type something like, "Write a polite follow-up email for a job application I sent last week." In seconds, you'll get a clean, well-structured message ready to send. Trick number 2, fix tone and grammar automatically. Paste your rough email into ChatGPT and ask it to make it sound more formal, friendly, or professional. It will instantly clean up your tone, fix grammar, and make you sound more confident. Trick number 3, get subject lines that get opened. Ask AI to generate catchy and relevant subject lines based on your email content. For example, give me 5 subject line ideas for a cold email to a client about marketing services. Boom, instant inspiration. That's all for the video. Use these AI tricks to write emails faster, smarter, and with zero stress. Your inbox just got easier. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.